180? Oh, I don't have back faces. Ah, whatever. It's the least of my worries. You stream cozy games. That's nice. That's exactly what I like to hear. I actually don't really know. So I don't venture out of software dev. So I don't really know who's out there. I need to get out more. So let's do this. Let me give you a follow and I'll catch you next time. Today was also pretty good because so I upload some YouTube shorts, from the stream just to get the word out. And one of my shorts, it hasn't stopped getting views. It gets like 30 views an hour, which is pretty good. And I think I got a bunch of wish lists yesterday from it, which is nice. I don't really get much activity from my YouTube, but this one short is just doing okay. Thank you. Yeah. If you have any questions about the game, feel free to ask. Okay. Are we done? All right. I don't like these yellow windows. Let's change up the yellow windows. So let me try like a icy blue. More icy. Yeah, 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 yeah. And then the bricks. I don't like the orange bricks. That's not all the bricks, is it? Nope. Nope. That's not all of them either. All of them either. Where are they? There they are. You, and then you guys get in there. I was just legit thinking sky blue or icy blue. There we go. What's your favorite part of dev work? That's a good question. Someone asked me this the other day, and it was hard to answer because I just I love being able to start like something fresh and like adding a new system from scratch. Something about like the wide open possibilities is nice. And then I love 3D modeling and making cute assets. Yeah, oh, maybe it's a little bland without color, right? Ooh, what if this door just had that like vibrant red that I never use anywhere because it's too vibrant? That's kind of cool. Oh, I didn't even realize these little overhangs. They need roof tiles. Ah, crap. Get to change and watch it grow. Yeah. So the reason why I love making a life sim is because, anything can happen. If you make an action game, combat specific game, you're focusing on combat, you're focusing on that aspect of game dev. And life sim could be anything. It could be literally anything. It's whatever you're interested in. If I want to add like a pottery mini game because I like making ceramics, I could do that. And it makes sense because so that's one of my favorite things about life sims in general. It's just the open-ended possibilities. Like, I enjoy photography, not as much as you know most people, but I enjoy it. So I put a photography minigame in the game. Why not? Whoa, that's weird. There we go. I agree. It's why I love life sims in general because each time I can change the story to get something unique. Yeah, I love the role playing aspect. I like how some people who have playtested the game they they kind of give a voice to their character because I don't really give the character too much dialogue, but they kind of do a lot of role play. Oh, thank you. Oh, my back. Thank you for the hydrate. Mm. I will also say that I am in closed alpha, but it's only closed to people, you know, who aren't here. And if you did want to play it, you can have a key. Self care queen. I appreciate it. Connie Dev, how's it going? Connie, how you doing? Okay, that actually wasn't so bad. Nearly made me fall out of my chair. Why? What happened? What did I do? Was it me yelling Connie Dev? Am I really loud? Oh, Bacon Bag. Is that a jump scare? Oh, wait, what's going on, Connie? It's okay. Need to go to the vet before you start regular job. And when do we release? Oh, I don't know. It's gonna be a while. But Connie, what's wrong with Pup? No. He's biting himself the whole time. Paw's almost bloody. Oh, not to make this about me, but so my dog is literally having very serious itchy allergy issues also. And I just got her a Cytopoint shot and I bathed her with a medicated shampoo. It didn't fix her, but she's way better. Like she went from scratching basically like any chance she got to now it's like like handful of times a day. It's not so bad. It's manageable. So yeah, Cytopoint and medicated bath, and I gotta bathe her like once every 3 or 4 days. But yeah, I hope your dog is okay. The vet thinks it's the food, so he swapped over 4 times. Meanwhile, yeah, food's rough. I mean, so yeah, I do this all the time in the middle of stream. I have to feed my dog, and I make her. Sometimes I have to make her food like on stream. But I cook her food every 3 days. I cook a batch of food for her, and it's good. Like she really likes her food, and ever since I gave it to her, it seems like she de-aged like 3 years. She got, she's 13. She's got all this energy now. Um, she's been good. It's a pain in the ass, but you might want to consider it. Cooking food. Sometimes cooked food can be better because less preservatives, but I feel like it's meal planning for the floofs. Yeah, it is meal prep. It's total meal prep. And I got to remember to do it. If I don't remember to do it, she's got no food. I can't just run out and get food. And if the grocery store is closed, so I got to be on it. It's like a strict schedule, and it takes like 2 hours to cook 3 days worth of food. It's mostly like idle time. I think to barf him now soon. Wait, what do you mean? Like you need to make him barf from the food? So my dog gets really itchy every summer, basically. Like every time it gets hot and humid, her allergies flare up. I think this building's done. I'm just gonna try this. No, it's horrible. Oh, you found out barf is German. German stands for raw feeding? Wait, barf in German means the opposite of barf? Wait, what? What is happening? I'm so confused. What? Barf means eating? Raw food? No, that's terrible too. That's not so bad. I don't love it. What if I just do black? Black ain't bad, but it doesn't look like an antique shop anymore. Light gray. Yeah, it looks good. It just doesn't look like an antique. Like this is the antique shop. I feel like I did a bad job making the antique shop um, a store. You know, like this kind of looks like a hardware store. This kind of looks like a diner. This kind of looks like a garden shop. But the antique shop I just made look like a house. What is some decoration, some further decoration I can put on an antique shop? Let me look up some reference. Antique store. Images. Not now. Oh my god. So much noise. Uh Antique store building. So, ooh, shutters on the windows. Why haven't I been putting shutters on the windows? Ugh, there's no, isn't that? I'd have to redesign this whole building. Shutters are cute. Ooh, I like these awnings though. I already have awnings. Damn it. Yeah, shutters are good. I think for me, the red door for an antique store needs to be that den style brown, if you know what I mean. You mean like, yeah, I know what you mean. Like a, like this or something. I mean, it would be smart if I, wow, this is basically my visitor center. Look at this building and then look at the visitor center. That's bizarre. Oh, wait a minute. Even this thing, that's this thing. It's like an amalgamation. Barf is the way to feed dogs raw stuff and not the processed pellets. I mean, I need to have a big freezer. Yeah, so when I used to order the cooked food. I used to order like the same food that I cook now. I used to order it from a store and they'd send me like a couple of weeks in advance and it took up the entire freezer. Now I just make it every 3 days and I don't freeze any of it. It's all fresh all the time. You nailed the visitor center. Thank you. It needs like uh it needs something, bricks and more decoration. It's very underdeveloped, but I think I like the shape of it. It looks like a visitor center, like a national park visitor center. I'm just trying to find like the thing that just Sell antique store. None of this does. It's almost like the clutter. It's maybe I need to make it more of a store. Maybe the windows need to be more stores. Like these awnings should be wider. And then it should be these kinds of windows with like furniture being displayed. This song, I actually don't even hear it. There's so much construction outside and I missed it. You appreciate the level of detail you're aiming for. I mean, it's a balance, you know. Sometimes I'll just say good enough and move on. It's hard when you're the only person. I think I'm going to redesign these awnings to be the circular ones that I keep seeing. Like these. And then I'm going to make open windows with furniture, and that'll sell it a little more. So, okay. But I'm going to hide this. Maybe it'll come back. I'm going to hide these. And then maybe I'll make like bay windows. Let me prototype something real quick. Let's hide those. Where's my... There you are. Whoa. Maybe like a bay window like this. Ooh, I like that. I like the bay window. I think that's the way to go. So I'll make it stick out just a little bit. Just a little. Doesn't have to stick out too much. And then thickness. Now keep faces off. Offset down. Yeah, I like this. Okay. And then we'll do the circular awning style. Like that. Let's rough that in, see what that looks like. Hearing this song makes me want to listen to the newer Final Fantasy VII Kilika mix. I'm going to put that on. This is 10 though. Let's go to 7. I'll start from the beginning now. There we go. Brain liked how satisfying that window change was. It's fun to play around like that. I have to learn to be actually better at just experimenting. Sometimes you get stuck. It's like, well, I already made it. I'm not remaking it. It's okay to throw away work if it's gonna be better. Like these windows right here. I'm like, oh, I can't fit this and that realistically. What do I do? I just gotta get better at just like hit delete. It's fine. It's fine. Um, actually, it doesn't need to stick out so much. That's for sure. Maybe they can fit. I don't know. I need to give these color so I can see what I'm doing. Color matte. I'm the opposite of that. I see a problem. I remake all the time. The reason why I can't progress. Yeah. I get so stuck. I don't really want to remake stuff a lot. It takes me a long time. Like I'll iterate on something a year later when I'm ready. But if I just redid it recently, I can't redo it again. I got to move on. Um, create planar. One, one, two, three, planar. Whoa, why did that not? Ah, there we go. All right, so this is the light or that dark gray or medium gray, I guess. These we did icy blue. And then these, it's actually too high poly. It doesn't need to be this high poly. Let me remake that. Twelve, 12. How can people live without knowing that it's not the best you can deliver? It's funny you say that because I'm the opposite. I'm in the opposite camp. I don't always try to deliver the absolute best. Sometimes it's good to just get it out, you know? Because like you said, you end up tinkering with it forever. I think it would be sadder if I never finished than if it went out like with some issues. Why do these look so weird? They look like the haircut of the guy on your shirt. You mean this awning? Yeah, they kind of do. It does. Well, he's wearing a helmet. Are they wearing helmets? No, that's his hair. Looks like Lee. It's like Rock Lee from Naruto. Should I be cutting these and making like a little design? I mean, this isn't the best reference. I shouldn't totally match this. What I do need to do is I need to give it like an alternating pattern. Guy Sensei. Kakashi. You know how long it took me to finish Naruto? Oh my god. My wife and I started it 2000. 2016, 2017, 2017. And we didn't finish it until 2022. It took us 5 years to finish. It's possible we didn't technically finish it either. I don't remember if we watched the last episode. I think we did. I think we did. Color palette. Ooh, it looks weird. Looks like a balloon. Looks like a balloon. Shoot. And now start One Piece. We did start One Piece, but I think we gave up because of how overwhelming it is. There's just too many episodes. We've just been watching like newer animes nowadays. No, no classics with thousands of episodes. Holy crap. Ugh. This looks like a circus. Do I need to do something drastic and make this like pink? No, I'm ruining it. I hate it. I liked what I had before more. I liked what I had before more. Let's try this. This music and vibe is just chill. Yeah, check out Kill Look Beats' YouTube. He's got a reinterpretation of Final Fantasies 7, 8, and 10. They're all really good. Baruda, One Piece. What's Two Piece? What the hell's Two Piece? Buffy's Quest. I don't know what Buffy is. I didn't get that far, I guess. I think I watched like 40 episodes and then gave up. It's hard to recommend it. Yeah, because there's too many of them. My housemate loves One Piece, but I couldn't get into it, unfortunately. Yeah. What kind of material should these round things be? They're like a canvas, right? What if I make them shiny? Does that make them better? I just wanted this to look more like a store, you know? And less like a house. Just trying to make it look more store-like. You know what? This, you, come with me. Actually, no. You, and you. Cut. Come with me. Wait, what? Why? Why is this? Oh, that's why. You, and you. Cut. There we go. That didn't do much. Maybe I just don't, maybe the alternating pattern is like really throwing me off. Let's keep them the same color for now. We'll just make it like the same brown as the door. All right, so we have this awning, right? And where's our other awning? Where's the rooftop? There it is. It's possible that I could just do these new windows with this awning. And I just do that. Maybe. Whoa, why? Why can't I do positive? Excuse me. Excuse me. This? Positive. Object, there we go. I think the bricks need to be much darker. Maybe make some round flags under it. Oh, like the little... So I have that over here. I'm afraid that it's just the shape. Like these things. I'm afraid it's not gonna help. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this. I'm just gonna move on. See, this is one of those instances where I'm spending too much time like thinking about it, and if it doesn't look good, I'll come back to it. It's all good. This is definitely an improvement from what we had. This looks way better. Also, we need this needs to be bigger. Oh, I'm missing a lot of chat. I'm sorry. Brown looks more vintage, which I like. When the platform you're using chooses chaos. Wait, what? You mean platform, the Twitch platform, or the platform of this house? It's not for everyone. I don't know if I would watch it if I had to start over now. I started reading over 15 years ago. Jesus Christ. Yeah. It's fair. I mean, granted, when it was released, it was great for its time. Just couldn't connect with the story back then. I gotta be honest, pirates, like the whole, like pirates in general, it's not always my favorite subject matter. I've seen pirates done well, but for the most part, it's not always my first choice. And Irish John, if you're out there listening, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry you had to hear that. No one tell Irish John I said that. Break his heart. No, bad, 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 bad. You'd think I would have developed some like good practices from working on this game for 3.5 years. Like trim color always needing to be darker than the face. But no, I'll never learn. Also, where's... Ah, crap. Wait. Why won't it let me flip this direction? It's very strange. What is it doing down there? X. I want to make this positive. It just won't let me. Object. Oh, there we go. Okay. There it is. They look much more grand and vintage. Yeah, the I think the bay windows was an improvement. And I want, ooh, you know, I forgot. I wanted to cut these out and then put like a display in there. So let me duplicate that, hide it, and just in case this fails. Sounds like something Dexter would say. What would Dexter say? Oh no. Something bothers me about Dexter. I don't like that show. I don't like the glorification of like a murderer. It feels weird to me. Military, how's it going? Wait a minute, you don't think being confined to a large raft for months seems like an exciting concept? Wait, oh, commenting on pirates? No. I mean, there's excitement there. I like a lot of pirate stuff. I just it's just I'm never like I don't seek it. Um, but recently, what was it? What was the HBO one with it's like a comedy. Black flag means death, something like that. Our flag means death. I really like that show. Okay, this is a total pain in the butt. Just trying to make an interior to these. People really like making desert levels, and I get it. I'm making one right now, but it's not something I ever craved. Yo, I don't know if you heard my rant the other day. Uh, Desert levels bother me. I something about desert levels in video games. They're just like intrinsically barren and boring. And uh, yeah. But the first game I ever tried making was a desert game. And I might revisit it. And here I am not liking desert levels. I don't know what it is about deserts. They're just in the zeitgeist of video games. Like they just have to exist. There's a phrase in German, "Du solltest." I'm not gonna try. That is literally translated, "Cut a piece of him," and mean you should behave more like him. Oh, interesting. Wait, what is that in reference to? So I have to drop off to the vet. I wish you a great day. Good luck with the game. Stay safe. Stay safe. Save often. Be happy. Connie, good luck at the vet. I'm sorry you got to go through that. Okay, I have an interior now. That was a pain. Battling box. There we go. So that means I need to poke a hole in the house. That is not something I wanted to do. Maybe I can do this instead. I'll make like a display. Okay, we'll just put a shelf in there. And then I'll put some stuff. I don't know. I'll put stuff in there. It's fine. And oh, this was a medium gray, right? That's right. That's right. Okay. Oh, whoops. Face you, and you. Come with me. My desert levels randomly generated noise texture. Like that's the extent of it. I don't like desert levels, but I might revisit it. But I don't like them. Best phrasing ever. I really liked the game I was making, but I was not. I was. This was 10 years ago. I was too inexperienced to finish the game I wanted to make. Drop me off at a cool person like always. Will do, Connie. Would you create a character based off you in the game, but in disguise, like an Easter egg? It's funny you say that. I do have a temporary character in the game called Dev. And I'm basically in there just to explain things that are unfinished. Like, If I go to the visitor center, interior. I actually don't need to be in the scene anymore. So yeah. Wait, let me save full screen. How do we look? We look the same? I need to put a white shirt on. Okay, this is cool. I think I like this. I think I like this. So let's put this in there. Hide that one. Sim tries. Wait, why? Oh, yeah, yeah. Merge. This is basically the song I was waiting for. There we go. Okay. It looks more store-like. Once I put stuff on these shelves, I think it'll be nice. Okay. I'm gonna call it. Also, I don't do anything with this gold trim. Maybe I should accent the gold trim around the house. And I have this platform for no freaking reason. Should I get rid of it? Should I put some fencing maybe? Like a wrought iron fence? Let's just test it real quick. Real quick. This might give it like a creepy vibe, which ain't so bad. Yeah, I think it works. I just need to know what I'm doing with this cube. It's just a cube. It's nothing. It's like meaningless. And then soften the normals, maybe? Soften. Let me just see what this looks like if I duplicate it a bunch of times. Maybe make it much smaller than that. Oh no. So these can go away. And then the whole thing needs to come out a little more. Like so. Well, cool, dumb. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. Like, why is there a fence raised up on a platform that's... All right, so how about this? I'm gonna get rid of the platform. I'm gonna keep the fence, but I'm just gonna put it in, I'm gonna make it in the engine. This reminds me of Kim's house from the Gilmore Girls. That's kind of my reference. What does her house look like? This is Kim, Gilmore Girls antique store. I actually visited the set for Gilmore Girls. It's pretty ridiculous. It's all, oh, here we go. It's a white picket fence. Very Victorian or like colonial. I like the hatching. Once you added the fence. Yeah, I used to live in LA and this was on the Warner Brothers lot. And for Christmas one year, I think they do it every year, but for Christmas one year they redid the set in like full-blown Christmas snowy dressing. And my wife and I went took a tour of it. So Gilmore Girls is a big it's a big reference for this game. The last Twitter post I just did. Um, if everyone can feel free and give it a like. Three pieces of reference, non-game inspired. Basically, the game is inspired by Gilmore Girls, Twin Peaks, and like Parks and Rec. Also, Brooklyn. I referenced the characters from Brooklyn Nine-Nine a lot, but I didn't put that in the tweet. Yeah. So maybe I'll do a white fence around it. I won't do this metal like wrought iron fence. Can I? Doesn't look like I can. I want to scale them up from their centers. Am I able to do that? Common selection. Scale center. Scale object. No. Oh, it's because I need to separate them again. Edit mesh. Where the hell is it? Separate. I need to rewatch Twin Peaks. It came up on my suggested on Paramount Plus. It's so funny you say that, as I've also been rewatching Brooklyn Nine-Nine and Parks. Nice. Yeah, Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I'm rewatching Brooklyn Nine-Nine right now. It's so freaking good. So freaking good. Basically, the mayor. I'm trying to harness like Raymond Holt as the town council leader. It's really hard. He's a really hard person to nail because he's so dry, and he kind of requires the back and forth between like him and Jake Peralta to like really make it funny. Also, they don't need to just be cubes. Twin Peaks is so good though. Twin Peaks is so good. Yeah, I didn't watch it until not later in life, but yeah, I guess later in life. Okay, how's this? How is this? All right, so let's recombine. I need to get this back on the floor. Get this whole house back on the floor. How am I supposed to do that? Shoot. What is this? Who are you? What are you doing here? Grass tile. Okay. Fine. So this is already on the floor. Oh boy. Oh boy. Not good. Tool settings, world, yeah. Oh God, no. Wait, where's this roof? You didn't know there was Twin Peaks: The Return? Oh damn. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I also watched there's a movie, there's a Fire Walk with Me. Really uh really intense. It's basically like a 2 hour long episode. And it's just really intense. It's a little more violent than the show was. Just because it was like so long and it just didn't end. Oh my God, why? What if I do this? Oh, it's this stupid group. Oh shit. Adam. Adam, how the hell are you? Have a good stream. Thank you for the raid. Oh my God. Welcome in. Shout out to Adam. Raiders, welcome the hell in. My name's Andrew. I'm working on a cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's a life sim innkeeper sim. Great to rate a viewer. You don't know how much I appreciate it. Thank you so much. The last time you rated me was big. It was big. Thanks again. I caught a lot of your stream today. There was a heavy discussion on art and what the audience is relative to the artist, relative to the reviewer, and whew, I'm just like, I don't know. I like making stuff. But seriously, everyone, welcome in. Let me play the trailer. I'm gonna play the trailer. Let's see what we're working on here. Seriously, thank you. Coming from you, that means a lot. Demo. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Sarah, welcome in. How's it going? So yeah, it's a little bit Stardew Valley. and it's a little bit The Sims. And you know, instead of farming, you kind of build and run and decorate an inn. A little bit Animal Crossing with the decorating. But it's, you know, it's part management sim as well. It's got a little bit of everything. And today I'm working on leveling up some of the assets. Doze ate you. Looks wholesome. Thank you. Welcome in. I'm working on leveling up some of the town buildings. So I'm adding these roof tiles and doing a pass of like color. So I'll fly over to the building that I'm currently working on. Here's town. So I'm just kind of giving this building a facelift. I think it's improving. I'm going to put, this is basically the antique store. So I'm going to fill up these windows with some decorations that you can buy. And hopefully it looks a little bit more like a store. So right now, so here's the town overall. And I've been slowly, you know, adding details to the buildings. So here's like a garden shop. Some new houses here. Town hall. Not Shalovic. How's it going? Welcome in. This is your reminder to save. Take a sip, small stretch. It's a good idea. All right. So yeah, what were we just talking about? We were talking about Twin Peaks. Because some of the inspiration behind this game we were talking about non-game inspiration. Gilmore Girls, pretty big one. Twin Peaks, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and Parks and Rec. Parks and Rec is actually a bigger inspiration than I let on, because, you know, there's a national park in the game, and there's a character that's a lot like Ron Swanson who lives out in the woods. The Faded, thank you for the follow. So, yeah, there's a couple of references. Writing is really hard for me. I'm not a great writer, but we do our best. We do our best. All right, I need a 1x1 tile. It's actually fine. Oh, wait. I thought I brought this down. Did I not? No, I didn't bring this down. I don't understand why the bricks move double the amount that they're supposed to. It's a supernatural antique store now, always floating with its ghosty counterparts. You have no idea how often I have a friend who just wants me to make this game a murder mystery so bad. It's not happening. Okay, how about this? There we go. Okay, we're on the ground now. We are on the ground. So do I want to fence this in now? How does it sit in the scene? I can just make a fence go across. I think it should just work, honestly. I think it should just work. And then I skip 2. Oops. Is that good? Just put a photo frame of a ghost in the window, and then here's the ghost. Uh, he's always coming in with wacky ideas. Wacky ideas. All right. Does the sign go in front? Yeah, of course. Right here. I don't like actually how there's too much like vertical stuff going on right here. Maybe this goes here. Anyway, let's see what it looks like in game because I can mess around with layout here all I want. It's going to change. Ooh, save, yeah, save. Send to Unity. This is gonna do some damage. Antique store. Antiques. Yes. It's gonna disappear. Oh, no, we're just gonna go into the ground. Actually, it looks way better though. Wow. So getting rid of the yellow windows, huge upgrade. Getting rid of or putting roof tiles, huge upgrade. Wow. Oh wait, it's not in the floor. It's just confusing me because it doesn't have the platform anymore. That's very confusing. Oh, I don't like how this is too wide. That's okay. We can live with this. We can live with this. Huge change, right? Yeah. It does look nice with the greenery. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's annoying. It's intersecting. Did they all do that? No, they all live like within the confines of the door. It's all right. I can live with this. Look at this guy. You don't even know about this guy. What is he doing in there? Let's take a run through town. Let's see how it looks. Wacky inflatable guy? Yeah. It was a redeem. So I have a redeem where people can get me to make stuff for the game. And someone asked me to make that, and I just loved it so much. I did it on stream, and it was really fun to animate. All right, so this is a new house with the new colors. It's a little vibrant, but I'm okay. I'm okay with this. I don't like how so basically the town hall is covered during that cutscene when it happens because of the text. That's annoying. These new houses, that looks good. Ooh, yeah, we got the smoke back. So that was missing from that house because of the scaling issue. Do I have other issues like that? I can't even see the roof of that one. This one doesn't have smoke. I wonder why. I'll have to look into that. And then here's this. Wow. Yeah, okay, big improvement. Wow. Big improvement. There's Wacky Arm Guy. This I don't mind actually. Yeah, the work paid off. I think so. Let's go inside. Where's Oriole? Where's everybody? Wait a minute. Where's literally every NPC? Oh, I turned them off. That's right. I was debugging stuff and I turned them all off. It's like a ghost town. NPCs. So speaking of Twin Peaks, did not expect the wacky inflatable arm guy. No, no one does. He's going to be a quest. He's going to be broken. And Oriole, the owner of the antique shop, is going to be like, hey, I got this thing. I'm hoping to stir up some business. Can you help me fix it? So you're gonna have to figure out how to fix it. So yeah, speaking of Twin Peaks, the diner, heavily inspired by Twin Peaks. I can't turn the camera, but that's creepy. Basically, if we look at that, and then we look at Twin Peaks Diner, bam. I did my best. Obviously, I went for a brighter color palette, but I try to kind of match the layout. Also, what is this? Oh, Gilmore Girls. Yeah, we're good with that. Okay. What next? I feel like I did a lot today. I did a lot of modeling, a lot of improving. Do I want to keep modeling? I'm a little fatigued with the assets. I feel like I should do some code or something to improve the demo. So what do we got here? Create a bucket of helpful dialogue messages that are prepared or that are peppered in by some NPCs to help you learn things. That's right. So there's a lot of parts of this game that I don't teach. I don't have like quests or anything. Either I need to make a quest that teaches you how to do a mechanic, or I need a character to say it every once in a while. It's like during loading screens, there's like tips, game tips on how to do stuff. I feel like I need something like that. Or I just need a bunch more quests. For instance, the mechanic of like different decorations working together. So if you have a bookshelf, you could put books on the bookshelf. And if you have a couch, then NPCs can grab books off the bookshelf and read them on the couch. And I never explained that. I was kind of hoping it would just emergently happen, but I feel like I should explain it. Rosem, how's it going? Welcome in. How you doing? And then what else? So this is what I've been doing. Add signs, logos, and iconography to the building so that we know who they are. We're getting there. I can't check it off yet because the visitor center still needs help. So what did we do? Garden shop. That's good. The hardware store still needs something. The diner needs something. The antique store, I do need to populate that window. Maybe I do that now. Let's do that now. This throne, I found people taking books off the bookshelf and reading them. Not sure if they sat down on the couch though. A lot of them just seem to sit in front of the books in the bookshelf itself. They sit in front of it? Wait a minute. So you figured that out. You did put a couch right in front of the TV. Maybe it was a conflict. Huh. So the couch is kind of generic. So anything that the couch is connected to will work. So you can put a couch in front of a TV and NPCs will sit there and watch TV. But if there's an open seat and they have a book, they'll read there also. I'm surprised they were sitting in front of the bookshelves. I should test that. Just a work day. I'm okay. How about you? I'm doing good. Just got a generous raid by Adam C. Eunice. That's always a good day. Always a good day. Also, I feel clean. Like we got follow botted the other day and last week, and we're all clean. I got rid of all those extra followers. We don't need them in our lives. They don't help us. And the stream feels safe. Like I haven't seen Twitch scam. I haven't seen any new bots. We're good now. Feels very secure. I noticed that when I placed the TV, it had several spaces in front, so I made sure to put a couch in range. Also, the TV noise is super annoying. Oh, yeah, it is. So I never intended for the TV to be finished. The TV is like one of the second items I've ever made. I think it was one of the first items I ever made. It was like the second item I made. Let me look at it real quick. TV. It makes noise, right? Yeah, and it's got this stupid face on it. And it has an audio source. It just plays music. So I don't want that anymore. I don't want this to do anything. Game object toggler. I forgot I made that script. It makes an annoying noise. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of that. Actually, yeah, this isn't technically in the game. You can only unlock it if you turn on the debug mode. So I kind of never finished it. Plain. Yeah. What is the other noise? Where's the other noise coming from? Yeah, what my plan was to like animate something like a 10-second loop and just put that on. Kind of had like the TV in The Sims works, you know? It's like ambient and whatever. Maybe I'll put a nature documentary on it. Should I just shoot some footage right now? Like I'll just pan through the forest and put bird noises. But do I do it properly? To do a screen capture, I'd have to do it properly. Or I could just do something temp. I'll do something temp. I'll do something temp. All right. I don't need actually the whole screen. I'll just do this. And then record. Also, let's put on some Final Fantasy X. All right, are we recording? We're recording. So let me pop into a scene. Let's go to hike loop A. I love this one. Oh wait, it doesn't have decorations. Oh, I gotta run there. You can probably find some free footage online. Yeah, I don't want to do live action now. I'm just gonna do it from the game. That's all right. I'm gonna run there. And then I'll just do one of these. Wait, I want the camera to move much slower than that. Camera speed. Oh wait, I don't want the mouse in the way. So we'll do a pan. And then we'll go to the pond. Let's get this fishing rod out of the way. Do a pan the other way. Maybe I'll do a upward one. Nope, mouse in the way. Get out of the way. All right, we got that. And then go to the next scene. You ever think of putting in the pit from Parks and Rec? Wait, the pit. Which is the pit? Oh no, did we hit a bug? Null reference exception. No. Huh. Biome thorns. Okay, we hit a bug and we crashed. But let's edit that together. The pit was the reason Ann Perkins and Leslie met, where Andy fell in love and it was hilarious. Did they ever show it? Null reference happens so much in Unity. I haven't seen that particular issue in a while. Not sure what happened. It's not a Twitter post. It's in-game footage. So let's go to design. Edits. In-game footage. Choose. This is going to be the TV, or it's just going to be in-game footage. All right, where is that? Where did I save that? Inkeep, devlog, screen cap. So maybe what I'll do is, I should have let this play longer. I want to capture all the music. We don't want that. Unlink, unlink, unlink. Oh, the stupid mouse. Wait, do I have a take without it there? Oh no. No, the mouse. Did I not do a take? Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, so from here. And it's actually a good thing it's captured at 60 because this, I'll just do this at 24 FPS and then I'll be able to slow it down. Lot 48 to be specific. She fell in. I do remember it. I do remember that. Imagine forgetting to post in Discord again. Oh, I forgot to post in the Discord. Sorry. We'll do it now. You're the only one that follows it. Oh, hey, we were just watching Parks and Rec. Nice. I was just saying it's one of my references. Okay, so modify properties or sequence settings? Sequence settings. Let's do 24. Okay. And then let's interpret this at 24. Interpret footage. 24. So now this should be much slower. Oh, wait, now my edits are all messed up. Yeah, it's better though. Finn, I'm sorry. How you doing? You're not even sure what Parks and Rec is? What? What? You don't know what Parks and Rec is? Mr. Mard. It's a very, very, very good television show. If you want to post your streams without having to look up Streamcord, you can also auto post for your streams. I have a bot. I have dino.gg, but it's broken. I don't know why. Also, why do I have this horrible green outline now? It's getting dark outside. Gotta update the camera. I mean, it's better, I guess. There we go. Okay. Get Sapphire bot. No more bots. No more bots. Okay. I just want to do this quick. Quick. You to you. Great. And now this one. You. To you. Wait, I took a better one, didn't I? Yeah, I like this one. No, actually it's terrible. So we just got it here. And then the last one. Oh, I crashed. That's right. So I'll just replay these two over and over again. Okay, so I basically need to make this a really, really small, super, super small. Let's render it. The resolution does not need to be very big. Sequence settings. So what do we have? Frame size? We'll just do like 960 by 540. And then let's make these even smaller. This is too long. It's like 11 seconds. Does not need to be 11 seconds. Three seconds. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. It's actually too short. Or yeah. All right. I'm gonna live with this for now. This is kind of temporary. Render. Oh no! Look, I have this stupid viewer in there. That's fine. I can scale it up. Actually, I want a lower resolution too. Let's see, sequence settings. Let's say 480 by 540. What's half of 540? 250, 270? Yeah. That's terrible. I love it. All right, how small can I get this file now? How small can I get this file? High? No. Low bit rate. Doesn't matter. Screen cap. So what file format's going to work well? I need like a render texture or something. I actually forget how to play. Ooh, how to play movies as a texture. Is that something I even remember how to do? That's a good question. Edits, in-game footage, output. Forest. Forest panning. Yes, please. All right, let's just see. Let's just see if I can slap it on a texture. How advanced has Unity gotten? Also, I need to fix this bug. Look at that. If spot map, game object is null. I even throw a print. Why is this null? Why didn't it do the print? Oh, well, obviously because game object is null. That means biome entity must be null too. I wonder what it found. Right? So line 25. Line 25. Biome thorns. Potential spot. Because this is probably at the edge of the map. This might just be out of range. I'm not sure. But let me get that video in here. Let's see how it looks like. Textures, I guess. Create folder. Videos. Will this work? I do not know. Okay, I can bring it in. And what is it though? It's a video clip. Can I make it a texture? You really like the water texture. I hate the water texture. And I'm really mad at it too. It actually, I downloaded a pack of shaders called FlatKit, and it was a virus. It was like a total virus in the project. So I'm mad at it. I'm mad at the water. Wait, what am I don't need to see fishing check. Yeah. So yeah, I'm mad at that water. Also, shout out Vince Sifty. My one mod. My one honorary mod that does not have to do any mod duties. It was also a wonderful Unreal dev. Make sure to check out Cat. Daniel Pancake. How's it going? Good morning. What is that? Practical's got a new Godot icon. All right, so if I go back to the TV, decor TV. Do you think I can just drag and drop this in there? Probably not. It's definitely not going to work. Definitely not going to work. Definitely. Plain TV screen. I want the thing we just made. Videos. This is not going to work. No way. Yeah. So how do you make a TV screen? How do you make a video a texture? Basically MP4 as texture Unity. Movie textures. So it's a thing. So is it like a thing I create? Movie texture is due to be depreciated in a future version of Unity. You should use video player for video download and movie playback. What's the video player? This is a link to a script. What's a video player? Are you on an iMac or a MacBook Pro? I'm on an iMac. No, sorry, MacBook Pro. 20, 2022 iMac Pro? Oh, sorry, MacBook Pro. Doggy. Ooh, it's almost dinner time for the dog. Is there a section for output? I think I just saw it. Would you change the video to... You mean this stuff? I can transcode it. Not all platforms transcoded. Clip is a guarantee. Clip is not guaranteed to be compatible on platforms without transcoding. Okay, we'll transcode it. We'll transcode it. Original size, original codec, bit rate. No, low. Low. Spatial quality, low. Import audio, no. Apply. Okay. Well, it's transcoded now. That doesn't mean I can use it. So is there like a movie texture here? Custom render texture. Hydrate, thank you. I wonder if this is a pack I need to install. Labels testing. Am I crazy? Is it a custom render texture? I might not be able to do this. This might have been a giant waste of time. No. You know what I could do? I could write a shader that just scrolls a still image. And it can be like 3 textures that just scrolls still images, and that can be my TV texture. That could be fun. It's totally pointless, and it would take like 30 to 40 minutes to do. But it sounds fun. Should I do it anyway? Render texture, I'm pretty sure, is a basic part of the engine. Yeah, it's here, custom render texture. But I don't know if I can plug a video into this. Video texture, I don't know. Let's see, 2D, yeah, 2D dimensions. So what you do is you render to this, but I can't just like plug it in. Videos are weird. Videos are not intrinsically supported. Movie texture. The movie texture inspector is similar to the texture inspector. Movie textures are animated textures that Unity creates from a video file. To create, place a video in your project. What if I right click it? It says it uses it in the same way as a regular texture, which I don't believe. May I post a 1 minute and 43 second tutorial video from YouTube that I used? Yeah, go for it. Or is that 1 hour and 43 minutes? Let's check it out. So what are they doing? UI, raw image. Okay. Oh, wait, video player. It's a component. It's a component they're adding to a piece of... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. So it's something you add to the scene? So what if I just duplicate this plane, right? It's not a plane anymore. We'll get rid of it. We'll get rid of everything. Just remove everything. It's an empty game object. Let me zero out all the transforms. Video player. Video clip. That's it? As simple as that? Where is it? Where is it? Render mode, render texture, target texture, video texture. Oh wait, can I just say API only? Oh. So, okay, so now I'm rendering it to the texture, and now I can plug this into the Into the TV? Also, where am I getting this noise pattern? It's this thing. No, what? It's this plane. Oh, it's the emission. That's so stupid. Okay, so now I have a video texture, right? That's it's rendering to this video texture. This plane or this video player. Play on awake. So I can't preview it. I have to just put it in the game. All right, let's see if it worked. Stern, you did it. Also, welcome in. Thank you. That might have done the trick. It might have done the trick. Let's just throw a TV in the scene. Decor TV. Yeah, I'm excited to see if this works too. It's gonna be ridiculous. It works. It plays the game. It plays the footage. Oh my god, it's amazing. You can't even see it though. And it doesn't loop. Okay. So if I turn it off, turn the TV off, turn the TV on, it replays it. How cool. Oh wait, the camera's still really slow. It's perfect. It's perfect. Couldn't have asked for anything better. Yeah, I'll get that to loop. And I need a plane that's 16:9. I don't want the black bars. Actually, so maybe this will be like tier 1 TV. It's a CRT, it's letterbox, it's terrible. And then you can upgrade to a better TV later. Won't be letterbox, won't be terrible. All right. I dig this. I dig it. I will though center it. And so this is the video player. Ridiculous. Loop. Playback speed. 1, yeah. Fit horizontally. Oh, I can just fit it vertically? Oh, okay. I wish I can just play it here. I don't want to... Always refresh. It's set on. So I can only test this in game. It's annoying. The dog is stirring. She really wants to be fed. It's her dinner time right now, so I'll have to step away and feed her. It only takes a second. Perfect. Okay. That's actually even better without the letterboxing. Oh my god. That's so ridiculous. That's the most ridiculous thing that's in the game. Well, I don't know what's more ridiculous, this or Wacky Arm Guy. And there's a Nintendo there too. You should be able to play it. There's even a little bit of light cast. That's cool. All right, that's a good victory. Disthrone, thanks for letting me know about how annoying that was, and for encouraging me to make that. That was fun. All right, so I'm gonna take a 2-minute break. I'm gonna get water. I'm going to feed the dog. I encourage everyone to also take a break, stand up, get yourself some water, and I'll be back. All right, we're back. We're back. All right, that was cool. That was a fun little diversion. So I do want to fix that bug that popped up, the biome bugs. So I'm gonna figure that one out. Let's do some diagnostics. Print X Z. And then, so we did get here, right? That means that potential spot wasn't null. That means that biome entity. That means that this wasn't null either. Foul! How's it going, Foul? So it's funny that you were saying on your stream about LA theater and how how lame it's been. Because yeah, LA theater gets, I don't know, it gets weird. I've been to a lot of theater in New York, and it's like the theater capital of the US. I kind of don't like going to theater outside of New York. I like to support the arts. I like going to museums. I like going to parks. I like going to galleries. I like all those things. But LA theater, uh, I'm sure there's good theater though. There's gotta be. I went to the opera once. That was cool. That was weird. Never went to the opera before, and I went to the LA opera. It was interesting. All right, so this means that biome entity is not null. Oh wait, no, it can be null. So let's print what that is. Print biome. I just want to see a good show. So yeah, my cousin, she's in the Fast and Furious. She's one of the ones with the bald cap and plays. Who does she play? I think she plays Dom. I think she plays Dominic Toretto. You got tickets? That's crazy. I'm gonna text her. It's amazing. Okay. So wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. If we're failing on this, actually, I don't know which one we're failing at anymore. Let's just play. Let's just see. The same error should show up. We'll see what happens. Also, if anyone out there is interested in Twitch integrated like chat participation games, Foul is making Foul Fantasy, and it's a chat-based RPG where you traverse a map, all chat-based, and you fight bosses, you fight mobs, turn-based style. It's really fun. Check out Falonier. Also, it goes without saying, his stream is also really fun. You can catch me hanging out there a lot. Also, totally forgot. If anyone wants to wishlist Alpine Lake, there's the link. I'd really appreciate it. Wishlists. I don't need to tell you. If you're here in software dev category, you know what wishlists mean. You know they help. So any wishlists would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wishlists are great. Yes, wishlists are great. Also, there you go. There's Falonier Fantasy. I forgot I made that. I never use it, but I made it a long time ago. I forgot. All right, so let's go get that bug. Let's go hunt. Let's go bug hunting. No way you have a Falonier command. Of course I do. I've had it for a while. I'm always forgetting. Always forgetting. Finn knows. And yeah, if you like horror games, I gave Fin50Cat a shout out earlier, but if you like horror games, um, that's what Fin50's making. Check them out. You can spam. Actually, I think all of my commands are open to everyone. So you can just type exclamation mark random streamer names, and it's possible that there's a command, and I don't block. I don't block them. I shouldn't have said that. We have a dog you can pet. Do you really? Yep. Go follow Grumble of Pugs. Make him Mega Bat. Where is Grumble? Where's Grumble? He's supposed to be here. He hasn't streamed the past 2 days. Now I'm worried. Look at this. Negative 26, negative 168, 167. It didn't even load. Oh, there it is. Oh, but the dog is dead in your game? So that's what you were talking about? I thought you were suggesting. Okay, I was so confused when you said that. So you have a dead dog in your game that you can pet and you get an achievement. So, I mean, that's gross, but if you're making a horror game, that's amazing. Like, you can pet the, like, yeah, you can pet the dog. It's dead, but for a horror game, that's totally on brand. That's ridiculous. It's very good for a horror game. It's pretty gross, but you know, for a horror game. For a horror game. So wait a minute. Negative 26, negative 167. What the hell? Negative 26, negative 167. Where is that? Negative 23, negative 1. Oh, wow, I got the right the row. Negative 26. Is this? Negative 23. Oh, wait, negative 23. No. Negative 26, which is 24, 25, 26. There's nothing here. Is that why? Negative 26, negative 160. It's right here. Oh, it's in the path. It's getting deleted. Oh my God, the path is deleting it. So it's spawning. It's entering the loop. Then it's getting deleted. So this is null. If biome entity equals entity continue. So I gotta check if that's null too. Why is this null? Okay, so if spot map potential spot say if this equals null also continue. I feel like it's okay if it's null. I actually don't remember. Why is this null? All right, well, if it's null, we're out. We're gone. I'm so odd because I go from comfy sims to hard, no real in-betweens. Well, then me and Finn, that's what we are. I'm the comfy, he's the hard. I'm sorry, Finn and I. Finn and me? There you go. Brain noodles, comfort. There's a funny meme that's like the artist and the art, and it was basically like Miyazaki. It was Miyazaki and then a famous horror anime director, and it was basically like Miyazaki's like a total asshole, and you know he smokes, he's got vices, and but he makes beautiful like comfort movies. And then you have the horror director, who's like who apparently is like super nice and super like gentle, like a gentle soul, but he makes horror. I wonder if that's like Finn and me. Maybe. Docker, yeah, thanks for coming by. That's crazy. Honestly, I did that Steam update and I didn't think anyone looked at those. I do see that I saw that there was 5 likes on it. The first one I ever posted, there were no likes. So I just assumed no one ever saw it. But then that second news article that I wrote, yeah, it's got 5 likes on it, which means some people are viewing it. I don't know how. All right, so I think this is solved. I think this is solved. If this is null, we just continue. It shouldn't be null, but I know why it is. And if it is, that's okay. Basically, the thorns are spawning on the path, and the path destroys it. I think. Honestly, the path shouldn't even let it spawn. I'm surprised. So let's try this. So we're now leaving when it's null. Let's just see if it might have been like, this might be a weird band-aid. I feel like there's a deeper issue I need to fix, but what can you do? So when we enter this next zone, should be good. Yeah, here we go. And here's me, the developer. This area is heavily underdeveloped. Just pass on through. Okay. Bug is gone, yeah. Oh, no, the deer, come back. I forgot the deer was there. This is the Alpine Grove, no trees. Dev talking to dev in game. It's very meta. Wait a minute. So why is this bush on the path? Ah, crap. That's not even the issue. I don't know what the issue is now. But we fixed it. It doesn't throw an error, which is good. I don't trust it though. I do not trust. All right. Let's see. I just tried to control C, control V in Houdini. Doesn't work. What do you mean? Of course it works. Plant just wanted to grow randomly. Yeah, it did. Dangerous. Also, Finn, what are you talking about? You can definitely control C, control V. I have noticed that when you try to copy a large chunk, the copy command, it takes time to load. So if you control C and like bounce out of your object view or something and go somewhere else to paste it, it won't have finished copying. I have noticed that. Like it takes time to dump it to the clipboard. I feel like I want to make the character visible in this cutscene. So maybe I'll make that that hitbox or that trigger a little smaller. Works in the network editor, not in the viewport on prims. Oh, you're trying to copy stuff in the viewport? Yeah, the viewport in Houdini doesn't even mean anything. I feel like the right side of the UI is quite overloaded. Yeah, you're right. I know, I just still it's those the button prompts. They're just I don't want them there. I should have a checkbox to get rid of them. Like this stuff. U to use item in management. I don't actually oh, this in management. Yeah. I feel like once you do it once, maybe it goes away. I'm gonna go make some dinner and rest for tomorrow. Sending all the love and thanks for the wonderful company. Can't wait to play this and all the adventuring. You're doing an amazing job. Jesus, thank you. Thanks for hanging out and offering all your feedback and finding your way here. That's crazy to me. Stay safe, hydrate, and stretch. Yes, everybody do that. I think I might start to wrap up as well. I'm gonna find a raid target. This is a pretty good one. Thank you for the hydrate. We got some stuff done. We got no bots. No bots today. That's crazy. That never happens. I'm just browsing a software dev category right now, seeing who we can pop into. Let's see what Clayman's doing. Ooh, what is that? That's something new. We're gonna go to Clayman. I just want to see what he's working on. I also haven't rated Clayman in a little bit. Shit, no bots. Yeah, seriously, right? All right, what happened today? What happened today? Everybody, thank you so much for hanging out. Adam, thank you for that mega raid. The Faded, Daku, and a Frisky Grandma. Thank you for the follows. Guys, ladies, whatever. I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. We're gonna go check out Clayman. Clayman's working on a really fun, really funny physics-based action game. And I say funny not because it's filled with jokes, just because the physics system that he's making in the game is hysterical, and it just everything looks hysterical. So we're gonna go check that out and say hello. And yeah, appreciate you all for hanging out with me. Make sure to wish list Alpine Lake if you haven't. Ooh, we need a raid message. Do we need a raid message? All right, we're gonna raid message. Val, thank you for hanging. Nah, no raid message. No raid messages. We're just gonna sneak right in, like nothing ever happened.